So it's using the tweeters I made before, except this time it's laser etched blue foil, so the laminate 9 micron aluminium, so it's thinner than the previous version. I'm not sure if I want that, to be fair. Might use the 12 on 12 instead of 12 on 9 or 9 on 12. But yeah, the reason why it all takes so long is because I want to see if it kind of delaminates or something. But by the looks of it, so far, we're a month in, it doesn't, so that's good. Well, I cannot leave it here for 3 years and see what happens, but... So let's clap and play. Oh, let's record first. It's been a while I made a recording, to be fair. Bloop, so recording. Right, puss. Very shitty clap, as usual, as is tradition. yeah, so that's that. See you later. I'm not sure if it's working